Okay, I promise you all that I won't talk about this topic anymore. But recently, there's a news article that shows that there's this financial help by the MAS. Okay, and it shows that they just extended the ABSD deadline, as well as those people that need re-emission of ABSD. They get extended, but there's some clause lah that you need to fall within the clause. You can go and search for this. Okay, so why am I saying this again is because you see a lot of people are saying, hey, which developer will slash price, which developer will kanchong. The developer the ABSD going to reach lor. Okay, can you tell me which developer ABSD going to reach? Actually, don't really have you know. Those developer ABSD going to reach right now, they get an extension of 6 months. Okay, and those developer that ABSD going to reach, they already sell a lot already. Okay, and they don't need to kanchong to sell off because they still have like maybe 2 years plus another 6 months, so they have more than enough time to sell. Why am I saying this is because I feel that it's not the correct idea and the correct mindset lah. Okay, so I don't want to say this anymore because I just want to inform you that this thing is going on, so that when you get other source of information, you wake up the idea and also you understand what's going on. And the next thing I want to touch on, right, is there's this article, right, that came out on the Straits Times that says that developer will drop prices. Okay, but this article is a bit special, and I want to attend to a few things about this article so that we have a full understanding of what this article talking about. I think it came out on the Business Times. Okay, it came out on the May 5th. Okay, I'm going to on this thing now. Now that I'm very lucky that I got my studio like before this circuit breaker. I didn't know that there's going to be a circuit breaker, and now that I have the studio, it really helps me a lot, because I wouldn't be able to do all these things with my cute little Alicia at home. Okay, so the news article wrote that half of developer likely to cut price of Singapore new launches. I have to say that they emphasize on the word likely. Okay, why do I say so is I think a lot of people is misreading this article. This article, right, is actually coming out by this published by this NUS using this real estate sentiment index they call it the Resi index. So what I did is I did a research and I actually Googled about Resi. Okay, so Resi, the real estate sentiment index written here, okay, I'm going to put it down over here. Okay, basically it's just a survey. Okay, you can read everything here, blah, 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 blah. You can pause the video and read it. It's actually just a survey. Okay, it surveys the people in RESALE, okay, the members in RESALE, and it asks them whether they are likely to cut price or not. And half of the developer says they are likely to cut price. So this is very subjective, you know. Like if today I'm in RESALE and my project is selling well or not selling well, maybe I say I'll cut price and then, you know, it's like, to me things that is reported in public is very sensitive, because things that is reported in public means that it's going to influence your decision. Okay, so half of developer likely to cut price of Singapore new launch. This is not saying that developers should cut price. It's saying that this survey done by this NUS on this Resi or RESI index shows that developer most likely will cut price. Okay, so I just want to attend to this because I get a lot of people are telling me, hey, you know, Aaron, you say won't cut price, but you know, the article show that it will cut price, but it's not. Then I read, I say the article never show that it will cut price, you know. But anyway, like if you read my last few videos, you'll understand about this cutting price thing. I can increase the price. Let's say today I'm selling 1.55 million. I can increase to 1.62 million and tell you that I'm going to give you a discount, and now it's 1.55 million. This is also called discount. So it's really how you perceive it. So I'm not going to talk about this, like I promise you. I just want to update you that these two things actually happen in the industry, and I will also be following up with the news and see what are some of the things that are going on. Like I say, correct, I feel that some people may drop price. If they are really selling at a very high point and they're not doing well, they will have to drop. But those people that are really doing well and they are selling at a good price that people are willing to accept and people are still buying, I don't see why they will drop price. Okay, so thank you for watching. Hit the subscribe button. I'm going to have more topics coming out. I will go I haven't touched on HDB a lot. It's because of a certain reason, so I'll explain it in the next episode. So thank you for watching, and I see you in the next episode. Hit the subscribe button, and bye bye.